So let's begin with Italian self-introduction. Let's begin. Hi or hello, ciao. Hi or hello, ciao. Let's pronounce it with me. Hi or hello, ciao. Good morning, buongiorno. Good morning, buongiorno. Let's pronounce it with me. Good morning, buongiorno. Let's pronounce it with me. Good morning, buongiorno. Let's come to the next word. Good afternoon, buon pomeriggio. Good afternoon, buon pomeriggio. Let's pronounce it with me. Good afternoon, buon pomeriggio. Good evening, buona serata. Good evening, buona serata. Let's pronounce it with me. Good evening, buona serata. Let's come to the next word. Good night, buonanotte. Good night, buonanotte. Good night, buonanotte. Let's pronounce it with me. Good night, buonanotte. How are you? Come va? How are you? Come va? How are you? Come va? Let's pronounce it with me. How are you? Come va? Now let's repeat it all again. Hi or hello, ciao. Good morning, buongiorno. Good afternoon, buon pomeriggio. Good evening, buona serata. Good night, buonanotte. How are you? Come va? Let's begin with the next word. Nice to meet you. Piacere di conoscerti. Nice to meet you. Piacere di conoscerti. Let's pronounce it with me. Nice to meet you. Piacere di conoscerti. Thank you. Grazie. Thank you. Grazie. Let's pronounce it with me. Thank you. Grazie. How do you feel? Come ti senti? 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 Let's pronounce it with me. How do you feel? Come ti senti? Let's move to the next word. I feel well. Mi sento bene. I feel well. Mi sento bene. Let's pronounce it with me. I feel well. Mi sento bene. Come to the next word. Get well soon. Guarisci presto. Get well soon. Guarisci presto. Let's pronounce it with me. Get well soon. Guarisci presto. Now let's repeat it all again. Nice to meet you. Piacere di conoscerti. Thank you. Grazie. How do you feel? Come ti senti? I feel well. Mi sento bene. Get well soon. Guarisci presto. Next we will learn Italian months of the year and days of the week.